All right, hello everyone. This video is going to be again on more or fewer. So last week I posted a video explaining the concepts of more and fewer. So for this video, we're going to be going through working together and completing a worksheet. Going through some examples. I'll let you try some on your own. I also posted the worksheet for you if you have access to a printer and you would like to print it out and complete it with me. That's okay, you can do that. Otherwise, you can just follow along. So let's get started here. All right, so for this first part of our worksheet, I want to go ahead and point out up here our vocabulary. Remember, we have greater than and less than. That is, it's the same thing as more and fewer. Okay, so let's take a look at our example here. We've done this before in school. So the first thing I'll remind you of our steps that we do is we count up how many circles and write it down in the box. You can see that they wrote a 3 there for us. Then we count up on this side and we write the number 2 in the box, right? We have 2 circles, so we have 2 here. Now in the directions, they are asking us what number is greater and to circle it. So looking at 3 and 2, what number is greater? Which one has more? The 3, so they circled it for us. Let's go ahead and try one together. All right, so our first step is counting up the circles. Let's count them together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to write a 4 in the box. Let's count this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I write a 5 here. All right, and again, they're asking us what number is greater, which one has more, the 4 or the 5. If it also helps you, for this one, think about what number is bigger. The answer is the 5, so we're going to circle the 5. Let's try this one. Let's go ahead and count. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to write a 4 in the box. Let's count this side. 1, 2. Good. So what number do I write in this box? A 2. Awesome job. Okay. Now which one is greater? Which one has more? The bigger number. 4 or 2? If you're working at home, go ahead, you can fill these numbers in on your worksheet. If you're following along with me, which number is bigger? Hold up either 4 fingers or 2. Show me. The answer is 4. Good job. So we circled that one. Let's go down to this example. Let's count. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. We're going to write a 3 in the box here. Let's count this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to write a 4 here. And again, which one is greater? Which one has more? Again, if you are working at home, go ahead and circle on your sheet. If you're following along with me, show me with your fingers. Hold up 3 fingers or 4. Which one is greater? The answer is 4. Good job. All right, I want you to go ahead and do this one on your own. Okay, so if you're working at home, fill in your boxes. If you're working along with me, count them up. And you can hold this number on one hand and this number on the other. And then tell me, which one is greater? I'll give you some time to go ahead and work. All right, here we go. What number did you get for here? What number did you put in the box? A 1. Good. What number did you put here? A 3. Good. And which one is greater? Which one has more? The 3. Awesome job. All right, let's try this one. Go ahead, you can try it on your own. Remember, count everything up. If you're working at home, write the numbers in the boxes. If you're just working with me, show me on your hands. Put this number in one hand and this number in the other, and then compare them. Which one has more? All right, you've had some time. So what number is this? What number do we put here? 5. Good. What number do we put here? 3. Awesome. And which one do I circle? Which one has more? Which one's greater? If you're working at home, just show me with your fingers. Hold up the number. 5. Awesome job. All right, let's go on and we'll move on to the next section here. All right, in our next section here, we're doing the same thing, but we're circling the number that is less or fewer. So let's go ahead, we'll do a few together, and then I'll let you go ahead and work on your own. So what is the first step that we do? We count, that's correct. So we're going to count up here. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Let's count this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now I want you to stop and think. Remember, we're looking for less. The fewer, the smaller number. So is it 4 or 5? If you're working at home, you can go ahead and circle which one. If you're following along with me, just hold up the number in the air on your hand. 4 is less than 5, so we're going to circle the 4. Good job. Let's try this one. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. You count this one for me. How many were there? 2. Good. So which one is less, 4 or 2? Show me with your fingers or circle on your paper at home. The answer is 2. 2 is less than 4. All right, let's move on over here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count this side. 1, 2, 3. All right, which one do I circle? Which one has less? The 3. Good. All right, I want you to go ahead and try this example here for me. Count them up. Which one has less? We have 2 in this one and 3 on this one. So which one has less? The 2. That is correct. Go ahead and try this one. Count them up. Tell me what numbers you got. So for this first one, what did you get? 4. Good. What did you get for this side? 3. Good. And which one is less, 4 or 3? You can circle on your page or show me holding up your fingers. 3 is less. Good job. Last one. Count them and compare. How many do I have here? 2. And how many do I have here? 5. Good. Which number do I circle? 2 or 5? The 2. Good. All right, and we have one more part to go through. All right, so this last part here, we did this in class, so you guys should know how to do this. Remember, we look at the two different numbers and you write an L if it's less than or a G if it's greater than. And remember, you have to read them straight across. So in this case, 2, is it greater than or less than 3? It's less than, so they put the L there for you. Let's take a look here. 5, is it greater than or less than 2? It is greater than. 5 is the bigger number, so it is greater than. This one here, 4, is it greater than or less than 5? 4 greater than or less than 5? It is less than. So you put an L. This one here, 4 greater than or less than 1? 4 is greater than or bigger or more than 1. Go ahead and try this one. Remember, read it straight across. 3 greater than or less than 5. What do you think? It is less than. This one here. Go ahead and try it. 3 is greater than or less than 2. What do you think? Three is greater than. So we put a G. Good. All right, everyone, this is going to be the end of this video. I know it was a little bit longer to get through all of the problems on the worksheet, but thanks for hanging in there with me, and hopefully I'll get to see you guys soon.